YouTube fam? Finally came in. Finally got it. And it came early. But I've seen some people got theirs a little faster. I didn't order it right away, I don't think. I think I waited like a week. But I got it. It's here. Came in pristine condition. But who cares? Because we're going to open it. We're going to open it. Let's open it. Let's see what's up. The second car from Hot Wheels with a stance built in. And this is a real race car. They actually built one. Let's get her done. Let's get her done. And change his blade out. Been cracking too many. There it is. Oh man, I can't unscrew it. I wanted to check out how they did their stance. She's putting it radio. There she is. Nice. It's clean. It's pretty cool. Maybe I'll buy another one. Customize that motherfucker. Look at that. They had to scoop out the inner fenders so that these wheels could sit up in there. They're pretty cool. Wouldn't mind a set of those to customize with. Yeah, I'm not too fond on the Hot Wheels graphics, but I mean, it's based on a real car, so that's cool. Okay, so it has the real headlights, like Elite style. I think it's cool. We'll throw this on the turntable so y'all can see it up close. Uh-oh, look at that. Got a wobbly wheel. See it? Check it out. Wobbly wheel. Sounds a little wobbly too. So they all wobble a little bit. That driver rear is the worst one. Hot Wheels, come on, man. These are the wheels are like M2 Johnny Lightning Auto World style, pinned through the back only. They're not through the center, through the front. They're like, but they're also not, I don't think this is one single axle. I think it's two pins maybe. I'm not sure, but these are not pinned through the front. They're stuck from behind, so that's why it wobbles. Because if you don't do that correctly, with my experience, you can get a wobble. But it's correctable. But I don't know how without drilling this out. I mean, I could try to bend it, but I won't. Whoa! Oh. I mean, it's a cool car. It's badass, and I like it. Let's check it out on the turntable. See what's up. I like the car a lot. I really might buy another one to strip it and customize it. I think it would look really good with a Gretty or a HKS livery. Any one of them, Advan, Falcon, it would look sick. I like the body kit. Looks nice. Overall, I think it's a pretty cool deal. I wonder if they don't give a shit about the like little fine details like the wobbly wheel. I wonder if they don't care because they think most people are not going to open them. So, like, the chance of someone getting what I got is low. I'm not sure. I'm talking out of my ass. But honestly, who gives a shit? Why do I keep talking about it? I think it's pretty cool, though. I like it. It looks really good in that lighting. And it's just going to sit on... I think it's going to go on one of these transporters. Let's see. I think it'll look good on this one. On this street fleet run. Yeah. Let's do the street fleet. Yeah. Yeah, because it has that red and blue. So does the other one, but this one looks more race setup because of the tires. I think that looks cool. I think that's how I'm going to display it for right now. Swing that big ass around. Yeah, that looks fucking sick. I like that. Well, thanks for hanging out with me. Hopefully, got some more stuff coming up. Can't wait for that new Skyline to come in. Just got to be patient. That's sick, man. Tell me what you think, man. Leave a comment. Let's see what's up. How you feel about this. Let me know. Thanks for following. If you're not, go subscribe. And leave a like. Leave a comment. Talk some shit to me. I don't care. Do it. Alright, see y'all later. Bye.